students. As we have completed our second chapter, Roman number. So today I am going to revise that fast. Okay. Just we will see what are the main points here. So as I have explained each and everything there. Remember, as I have explained that you have seen there is some symbols that written in front of your classroom. Class first, second, third, just only line is drawn and you know okay which one is your class. Same you have seen there in the clock also. Instead of writing counting 1, 2, 3, there is some lines are drawn there. So just you say okay, this one is number. Same here, today we will see what is Roman number. Now again I am going to revise that fast. Just see. Roman number and Roman numerals are the same. You can say anyone, whether you can say number or you can say numerals. Okay, so Roman numbers and a Hindu Arabic number. Now, there are some, there are only some means, you can say there are 7 initials with which we can explain all the numbers, or with that initial we can write any digit. First we will see what is that 7 numbers. So, in Roman number, this one is a symbol or sign or number of 1. Suppose you have to write 1, so you will write like this I, as you have to. After that, so this one is 1. Then you have to write, this is a symbol of 5. After that, third symbol is 10. Then you have fourth symbol is 50. After that 1, 2, 3, 4. Fifth one is your, see this one is 1. Then you have 5. After that this one is the symbol of 10. Then L means, when you will say L means 50. Then you have another symbol is C. C means 100. After that you have D. That means 500. Then you have M. M means 1000. Only these 7 symbols, with this you can write the number, you can add the number, you can subtract the number. Okay, only these you have to be used. Now, as I have explained each and everything, just listen one time again. Here, see this, you can say V means this 5, this 50, and after that you have 500 means, see here, this 5, L and D is a Roman number or Roman numerals that you can read as 5, 50 and 100. Now see, now leave this. Again I will explain after that. First see this. This one is 1. So here is a rule, means any Roman numerals we can write as in our Hindu Arabic. We can add 5 plus 5, any number from 1 to 10. We can repeat any digit more times, 5 times, 10 times, 6 times. But Here in Roman numerals there is a rule. Any symbol we cannot repeat more than 3 times. Means if we have to add numerals and this Roman number, we can only add 3 times, not more than 3 times. But in that also only some numerals with which we can repeat, not all these. So in this, only this 1, 10, this C means 1, X, C and M. Only these 4 symbols we can repeat or we can add. But how many times?
3 times.
Only 3 times. Not more than 3 times. Means only this I, X, C and your M can be repeated. Only these symbols, 4 symbols we can repeat, but this 5, L and D will never be repeated. This much is clear. Two things means we can repeat only this I, X, C and M. Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
And this V, L and D will never be repeat. इसको हम कभी भी repeat नहीं करेंगे. Now, after that, repeat means what? Suppose you have to write 3, so you can write this. Suppose you have to write 3, so you can add this 1 plus 1 plus 1 is equal to 3. You can write. Now, this much is clear. So, repeated means same numerals you can add again and again, but not more than 3 times. You can add only 3 times or you can repeat only 3 times. This much is clear. After that, you have their rules. How you will add or how you will subtract. Now, I am going to write here which numerals, which Romans you can repeat and which you cannot. So, see, first this V, L, after that D will not repeat or this will never be repeated. See, I have written here. After that, what is left? 1 means this I, X, what is left? C and M. Can be repeated. Can be repeated. Clear? Now, see, there are some rules. There are some rules how we will add and subtract simply. Now, this one you remember which will repeat and which will not repeat. Not repeat means never be subtracted. Now, question is arises. There is 4 rules. Sorry, there is 4 rules with which you can add or subtract. So, first rule, same numerals can be repeated. Same numerals can be repeated means, you know, as I have explained, suppose you have to write this 10. It means
20.
10 plus 10 is equal to 20. You can repeat. Suppose you have to write C, then 100 plus 100 is equal to
200.
You can write 3 times also, but not more than 3 times. Same is M also, M plus M plus M. Okay. Now, this one is your first rule means numerals can be or Roman numbers can be repeated. This one is your first rule. Now, second rule is when we, now listen carefully. Second rule is when we put lower digit of Roman numbers right side of the numeral. This one is your second rule. What I have told, because I have written each and everything and sent it to you, just I am going to revise. Now your second rule is, when we will write, as I have told, lower digit of Roman numeral. Lower digit means this one is 1. And where I have written the right hand side of larger digit. It means, what I have told, if lower digit will be right hand side of the larger, it means you have to be add. This one is your second rule. So how we will solve? This one is your 10 plus 1 will make
11.
Okay, you can write, it means, see, 10 plus 10 plus
22.
1 plus
22.
1. 20. This is your second rule, means if lower digit will be right hand side, then you have to be add. After that, your third rule. Your third rule is, now this third rule, as I have explained, second rule same, the opposite of second rule is your third rule. Your third rule is, now can you tell me which will be your third rule?
Ma'am, when we will write lower digit before greater digit.
When we will write the lower digit left hand side to the greater digit. Suppose I have written here this. It means what?
9.
9. As I have explained you, abhi I am telling, wait, 9 means
10
this
minus
one
1.
is 10, 10 minus 1. Why 1? Because when lower digit will be before your larger digit, or when you will put lower digit Roman number left hand side to the larger digit, then that will be subtracted. Means 10 minus 1 is equal to
9.
Suppose we have written 9. After that I will explain. So this one is your which rule? Third rule. Means just keep it in mind. Second and third will be opposite of each other.
Yes.
Then you will write this lower right side, then that will be added, and when this will be left hand side, it means it will be subtracted. After that, your fourth rule. Your fourth rule is, when lower digit will be in between two larger digits. When lower digit will be in between two larger digits. Now just see. This one is larger digit. 5 is also larger digit. Now I have written here, this 1 is lower digit. So when lower digit will be in between two larger digits, so then that lower digits will be immediately subtracted from the next larger digit. Means, now just see, this one will be subtracted for 5. So how? See, 10.
Then it will be 10 plus 4.
10 plus, how it will be 4?
Ma'am, because 5 minus
1. So 10 plus 4 is equal to
14.
14. Suppose you have written here 10. Now again.
Ma'am, 19.
19. Because this one is 10
and that is
plus
9.
Yes. 10 minus 1. This will become 10 plus 9.
9.
Now is
19.
9. It means only this one. Which number you will subtract? As I have explained, you will subtract only. Subtract means lower digit will be. You know, when you have to subtract any digit, then what you will do? Always you subtract smaller digit from the larger one. Same is here also. You can subtract this one from 5 and 10. This 10 you can subtract from, here is, and Clear or not?
Yes, ma'am.
Suppose you have to find, suppose you have to write now.
Ma'am, 40.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am. Ma'am, X means 10 and L means 50 and 50 is greater than 10. So 50 minus 10 is equals to 40.
Yes. So this X means what? This X
10.
means 10. What after that?
Then 50.
50. This one is 50.
50.
But answer will be in minus. So first we will write what?
50.
50 minus
10.
10 will be
40.
40. Why we will subtract it? Because as I have explained, this third rule, when lower digit will be the left hand side of any larger digit, then that will be subtracted. Same, if we can subtract 1 from X, L, C. Same, we can subtract this X from C and M. Same, we can subtract this C from this M. This is the rule, but only you have to just keep it in your mind. V, L and D never be subtracted. We cannot subtract. We cannot write like this. Suppose we have to write 10. So can we write like this? 2 times 5?
No, ma'am. No, ma'am.
This is
Now
totally...
because of that only it is made X.
Yes. Very good. We cannot write this. This is totally wrong. Instead of writing 2 times V, there is
X.
X. We can write X. Clear? So say this L also, we cannot write 2 times L. This is also wrong. Because instead of writing 2 times L, there you have C. That is 100.
Yes.
Clear?
Yes.
So in same way that I have explained, just 2 things you have to keep it in your mind. V, L and D will never be subtracted, and we can subtract only this lower digit from the larger digit. Means we can subtract only 1 X, C from the larger digit. And only this 1 X, C and M can be repeated. Okay. You have to ask? Yes.
Ma'am, if we want to write 950 in Roman numerals, then how will we write?
10. Just 10. 950. Yes. Then just tell me how you will write. 950. Abhi, you know M means 1000.
Yes, ma'am.
Then M means 1000.
Ma'am, ma'am, we will write CM.
CM. Okay.
Then, ma'am, it will become 900.
M is
1000.
M is equal to 1000.
And C is 100.
C is
100.
now
So it will become 900.
900. And then what will we do?
And then we will write L.
L.
Yes.
Where?
Ma'am, C, M, and then we will write L.
Now this L will be added or subtracted?
Ma'am, it should be added.
Why?
Because we want to write 950.
Then what will we do here?
Plus
Plus
50.
After that we have to write here C. Plus 50. So that will be 950.
50.
Clear?
Yes, ma'am.
So these are the numerals with which you can add any number, you can subtract any digit, or you can add any digit. If you find after that any problem, you just see again and again this video, okay, and clear your doubts. Okay, bye everybody.